Hey my YouTube babies, this your girl Breika and you're watching Breika's Life, where I'm going to be documenting my weight loss journey and also me trying to conceive. Me and my husband have been trying, but nothing has happened yet. So for now, it's just going to be me, him, and my two little bag dogs, Miss Roxy and Miss Goldie. Also, you guys, I will be showing you guys recipes and meal prepping ideas. Yeah, I know my food look good. I know. Also, you guys, for my OG YouTube babies, y'all already know this. I had lap band back in 2011 where I lost 95 pounds. Your girl was small. But in 2018, I was diagnosed with very rare autoinflammatory disease where your girl basically had to learn how to walk again and just get through the struggles of having this very rare disease. And let me tell you guys, your girl is in remission. Won't he do it? But because of this, I was on a ton of steroids and other medication which caused me to gain a lot of weight. So in 2020, I decided to have a revision weight loss surgery, gastric bypass, R&Y. So if you want to follow me on this new journey of mine, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Bye my YouTube babies. Mwah.